and welcome to Port Orleans Friends Quarter Resort. This is our home for the next 3 weeks. We've got the top floor, building 4, and we've actually got a corner room, which means you get 2 windows. So as you come in, you've got the table and chairs here. You always get a welcome letter and a lovely little Mardi Gras Mickey on there. And again, you've got your little foil curtains that you can open and shut, or you've got your main curtains, but you can see through the foil, the like foil ones, which is quite nice. Then we've got 2 humongous beds. These are bigger than those beds I think we've just been in, I'd say. We've got an interconnecting room here, which we are using because my mum is next to us. Then we've got underneath the beds is literally a massive space. Like, you can go right underneath the beds. Then you've got 3 big drawers. They're all the same, like really massive drawers. Then in here is your, oh, it does say beverage cooler. Cools to 41 degrees and above. 41 degrees and above?
It's exactly the same one as
oh,
last
okay.
time.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's bigger than the one we've just had, isn't it? You've got all your little bottles there. Yeah, I'm touching it and it's cold. Yeah, it is cold. And you've got all your coffees. Oh look, we've got the Joffrey's 50th anniversary blend coffee. You've got, this is good because you can get tea here now. Look, green tea, Earl Grey tea, normal Joffrey's roast. You get your sugars, you get your half and half. That's your coffee maker and your ice bucket. Oh, it tells you here about the enhanced cleaning that's been done. Shows you all the points, and it's got the television remote. Now on our TV, we've got happy anniversary Anthony and Laura, because it is our wedding anniversary, 14 years. So that's really nice. So then again, you've got 1 bedside cabinet, which I think is fine because both sides can obviously use it. So it says reminders and security and confidentiality. You've got a little booklet, you've got light switches, USB and plugs. You've got a lovely little drawer there that I always put like tablets and things in. I always think it's really handy. There's more USB plugs just over there. And then I love, this is one of the best areas that I love. You can hang like all your hats, your little jackets. We normally put our snacks on the top there. You've got a really good little bench here as well, which is nice to sit down and put your shoes on. Then you go into the bathroom area kind of thing. It's like a separate area. So there's a double sink, which is really nice. Got a big mirror here. Then you've got the shelf here. So you've got all your little towels in the Mickey head. You've got your H2O facial soap and your body lotion. You've got a little thing here for your hand towel. You've got your mirror that comes out, more plugs, lights. Then this is like your wardrobe, so it's like wardrobe come bathroom area kind of thing. But you've got plenty of hangers, extra pillows and blanket up there, iron and ironing board. You've got bins down there. You've got a safe, it's the same kind of as the other safe we had you enter your own code. But what's good about here is you can shut this curtain completely off. So the bedroom is through there now, and I've just shut them completely out. Then you've got a full-length mirror here. On this door here is a full-length mirror, so you can see I'm just here still. So you've got a full-length mirror. Then as you go in here, we've got a bath and shower combo. So that's your shower and your bath. Then you've got a little pulley thing again, so that will pull and connect over there, so you can hang your swimming costumes and stuff up. Got all the H2O products. Like I said, they are locked in, but you've got all the H2O products there. I love having a little bench there, so you can like sit like that with your legs inside the bathtub. Then you've got double layer shower curtain. Got a towel rack there, another little hook to hang your towels on. Toilet roll, extra toilet roll. Got your toilet, so that is like your toilet and your bath together, but then your sink area is like separate here, which is really large, like I said, with the mirror there. And then like I said, this does pull across. So now we're back into the room. Aunt's doing some unpacking. Got all of their beds are just so ornate. I really love these beds. We've got a fan as well, which is a godsend, having another big ceiling fan.
I remember that one.
Yeah, I don't remember that picture. I remember that one there. So you can see there where I've just pulled the curtains across. So you can like pull that across while like maybe somebody was getting changed or something. They could like have a shower and get changed, and other people could be in here. So Aunt's hung Matilda's coat up already. Like we said, we've got a picture here. And the nice windows, and then my mum's room is just literally through here, so you can see this is like the connecting door. We've opened it up and straight through into here, just exactly the same, just like the opposite way around my mum's. As you can see, she's got all the bits of stuff in here, just the same as ours. So that's going to end our little tour of our room in Port Orleans, French Quarter.